Hi everyone, Humosapia is here. I'm gonna show you very quick and very easy method how to convert the PDF file to Word. I was also very surprised how easy it can be without using the external websites. For example, in this case I downloaded the CV, where there is a text, picture and so on. As the first step, let's open our Word document and go to the home page. After that, just select the PDF file and drag it into the Word document. As the result, Word by itself will ask you if you want to convert this PDF file into the Word. As you can see, the PDF file is converted into the Word very good. You can modify the text, you can modify the picture, you can do everything that you want. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this small and very quick tutorial. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.